Guangzhou Osano Beauty Equipment Company Limited has 10 years experience in aesthetic industry. We are one of the leading manufacturers of high-tech aesthetic and medical equipment, which integrate R&D, production and sales together. We have a strong R&D capability. According to changes of demands on the market, keep invest development and production in new technology and launching new devices to meet market demands. Own brand Osano got good reputation at home and abroad with a stable quality, professional performance and service. Main technologies include cryolipolysis fat freezing technology, RF vacuum rollers lipomechanical massage system, ESWT shockwave therapy, AWT acoustic wave therapy, ultrasound cavitation, RF radio frequency, lipo laser slimming system, high-intensity focused HIFU, IPL. Many technologies and inventions are on the international advanced level. Our products are not only popular in China, but also exported to Europe, Middle East, America, Latin America, Australia and some Southeast Asia countries and regions. Moreover, all of our equipment have passed CE, Medical CE, ROHS and IEC certifications. In order to meet consumers' growing and diverse needs of aesthetic devices, Osano would develop new ideas and continuous technological breakthroughs to create more miracles for the aesthetic industry.